Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our regularly scheduled Friday programming, Chill and Chill. Let's get into it. Ooh, that doesn't sound very good, John. All right, guys, let's get into some charts. Happy Friday. Well, let's wake up a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get the camera on. Bam. Ooh, one of these days I'm gonna jump scare you guys with that. John said, "Damn it, it's about time. I was in serious danger of doing something constructive with my Friday night. That's disgusting." Tyler said, "Sweet. My pump coin is Pinlink, LMAO. I'm glad at least I got the right person. That would have been embarrassing if you would have been like, no, Pinlink's not my coin." Congratulations then, Tyler. I think Sweet's been hitting all-time highs like every other day, hasn't it? It's pretty sick. Let's update our liquidation heat map really quick for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is literally chilling around $101,150. I just engorged myself with a disgustingly large quantity of Taco Bell. So if I burp and fart and stuff, please excuse me. I'm giving the early viewers a little sneak peek into what you could expect with tonight's stream. This is the farty burpy episode. All right, let's see. We got a big fat liquidation up at 107.22. That's a little bit frightening. Let me get these out of here. 107.22. And we got a big one above us as well, but it's kind of far. So let me put this one up there first. 101.938. 101.938. 101.938. Bam. And then the big one is at 102.775. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that we're going to hit 110K this weekend? People are talking about it. Oh, I guess I should make that. Shoot. Something's beeping. Is that my my computer? No. That's weird. I'm being tracked right now by the government. There's definitely something beeping. Tyler said, "Sweet, my pump coin is Pinlink. JJ, I'm in need of your chart reading amazingness on Pinlink. I will take a look in a moment. Let's go through our regular coins first after I clean my glasses because I got a little bit of shit on the left lens. May or may not be Taco Bell, which is kind of disgusting. Who gets food on their face? Yeah, something's beeping. I'm losing my mind on stream. It's like, boop. But it's like every second. Just like that. Every second. It's freaking me out. All right, I'll get straight into Pinlink. I'll get straight into Pinlink for you. Pinlink. Pulling up the chart. This is on base, my bad. Pinlink. Ooh, okay. So what happened here was it solidified the bearish div. It officially solidified that bearish div right here. So what you want to look for, which you actually kind of have already, is bullish div. You want to look for a rejection at some point. Or not, I guess not really. Rejection is not the right word. You want to look for a reaction off of a level which should be higher than this level. You want it to be higher than 170. And you want it to bounce off of that level. And then you will for sure know that you have bullish div. If you get that, then that is a potential pressure cooker move, which should result in a violent swing to the upside. Not financial advice, but as of right now, you are looking for a reaction at a level above 170, 170, 180. I would just call it 180. Worst case scenario, you could, or best case scenario, actually, if you wanted to set up different bullish div, you could go off of 235 if you didn't want it to go that low. But again, you're just looking for a reaction off of a level higher than this. So that way you can say, yes, there's a bounce point here now that's bullish div, and I want to see it continue to the upside. But as of right now, it's kind of a it's a bit of a hurry up and wait chart. John said fire alarm battery dying. No, that would actually make me go schizophrenic. Tyler said, I think Bitcoin has been actually consolidating this whole time from 95 to 103. Zoom out. And then he said, give me a fractal. I don't know if I can do a fractal, honestly, because this is a parabola. There's no fractal to be had. The price is going up. The RSI is going down. That's the best thing that you got playing out for you right now. If this just continues to do this, even if it gets bigger as it goes up, and as long as this keeps going down, you're in a decent size, like, bullish move. I think eventually, which might happen soon, if I'm totally speculating here, I think you're going to get a reaction. I think you're going to get a pretty big rejection off of some high level. And then this RSI is going to reset. And then it's going to kind of probably be messy for a little bit. But as of right now, it is a hurry up and wait situation. The beeping has stopped. I repeat, the beeping has stopped. Hello? Okay. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin chilling at 101, 141, and 79 cents. Let's look at our daily just to see. If we close up here, it will potentially be... Actually, I don't know. I don't know. So we had a bearish candle. This would close bullish engulfing. The beeping is back. I don't know what's happening. Is it a UFO right out my window? I see you. Just freak the aliens out. And just every once in a while look into like nothingness and say I see you, just to see if somebody reveals themselves. This is what Taco Bell does to me. I promise I have ingested 0 marijuana products. Fahid said, yo, 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 yo. What's going on, Fahid? Happy Friday. Guys, he's not here yet, but I'm going to say it so that I can say that I mentioned it later. Mr. WF Capital, our good, nice, friendly viewer, I believe his real name is Reese. I don't know if he wants me to say that or not, but I said it anyway, so I don't care. It is his birthday today, and I do believe he is 35. So when he shows up in chat, we're all just I'm gonna stop what I'm doing and I'm gonna sing happy birthday. If he shows up in chat. So we'll see what happens. Tyler said, I'm just gonna say, Hoff, I would have won yesterday if I didn't change to make you happy. You're welcome. Oh shit, that's pretty good. That's great. Okay, yeah, let's get back into our charts, guys. We got Bitcoin at 101, 183. Looking to hopefully close somewhere a little bit higher than this. That'll give us a nice higher daily candle close, the highest daily candle close ever. Ethereum kind of just chilling, chopping sideways a little bit. Looking good though. Total 3 looking great. Total 3, little rejection here. Bitcoin dominance looks like it wants to go up. It's kind of chopping sideways. But I don't know. Is this indecisiveness? It very well could be. People don't know if they want to buy Bitcoin or alts, but it's happening regardless. So we got to keep an eye on it. Sol looking good. I would like to see a decent recovery off of this, but it might do the thing. We'll have to see. ADA also looks very similar to Sol, believe it or not. Just continuing to test that upper trend line. It was above it yesterday. Right now it's below it. Hopefully it can get back above it and continue an uptrend. Snack, pretty similar to Cardano actually. A little choppy sideways. Cardano had a deeper valley, I will say, but SNEC has been a more sustained downtrend. XRP up 4%, broke above its upper trend line. Hopefully it can solidify that and continue to the upside if that is to be believed. And this is potentially a bull flag. The potential bull flag breakout targets, which we've watched not fully play out every time. So don't, if you're going to try to trade this, I would suggest setting your take profits to front run the target. Maybe even to hit the halfway point. Because we've watched a bunch of stuff break out, and then it goes like this, and then it goes meh, and it just kind of like runs out of steam. So if you're going to try to trade something like this, just be cautious and maybe maybe ladder out your profits on the way up. Not financial advice, but the targets are just below the current all-time high at like 331 even, and then up here 380, 375, 379. Those are your targets if this is to be believed. I'm looking for a breakout, retest, continuation to the upside, but it could be a fake out. We'll have to see what happens. H-bar up 7.4% today, also doing the XRP thing. Got its nice breakout, looking for a retest continuation. It might not even retest. It might just break out and go. We have no clue. If this is a bull flag, and again, everyone measures their bull flags differently, so I'm going to do it these two different ways. We got this one, and we got this one. Some people like to go all the way up to the top of the flag, some people don't. So I'm going to do it both ways. The first target, the low target, is 42. The high target is 50. Not financial advice. Do your own research. If you invest in this and get rugged, it's not my fault. Polkadot. Polkadot got a nice little recovery. Went up to $8.94. Actually went above $9. And it's getting a current retest on that level. I'm not sure what that level is, if I'm being totally honest with you guys. I don't know what that green is. Maybe I set that as a potential support because we got resistance, resistance, resistance. Maybe they're going to try to retest that as support now. That's, I guess, the sloppiest answer I can give you. SUI, beautifully breaking out once again. I hope it does not form an M, but we were calling for a retrace down to this exact level, and it literally perfectly went down there. It set up your bullish div. That bullish div played out, and now, actually, yeah, it's also solidifying some bearish div now. So hopefully the goal with the pressure cooker, which this would have been a beautifully executed pressure cooker trade. With that potential, I mean, you should have taken profit already, but it could continue to go up. If you would have traded that just off this first candle close, let's just go with the second one because it's a solid breakout at that point. You could have made a 20% move. So what I would have done, knowing that this is setting up for bullish div, is I would have waited for it to hit something somewhere down here and then react. The second candle right here would have been perfect. The second you watch that close higher than the previous candles down here is when you open up your long, and then bam, you get a beautiful 20% move off of that. And on a 4X, that would have been 80%. 4X is nice, low leverage, clean trade. Even on spot, 20% is crazy. C's got a lot more recovering to do, but it's still, I don't want to say that it's, I don't know. I want to see it get back above this level, if I'm being completely honest. We have this, and then let me copy this and put it over here as well. I'm going to move this line right here. So you got confluence here and here and here for this line, and then confluence here and here and now here for this line. So that's kind of like a zone that you want to look out for. Not a lot of support in this zone. It broke through right here, and then it used that as support, I guess, once. But once it got down here, there was no resistance. It just broke right through, and now there was no support. It broke right through, and now it's using it as resistance. So I don't know what you would even call that. It's just kind of just a trend line, if I'm being completely honest. So keep an eye on that. I really want to see see get above that and back above this longer term upper trend line. But that's the pattern that it's forming at this exact moment. You had a double top. I will say, though, it is still setting up higher lows as long as you ignore this. So, but the overall trend is still an uptrend. CAS down 1.22%. You have this head and shoulders setup. I've seen these not play out more often than I've seen them play out, inverse or otherwise. So I would not be surprised if this was like a fake out trap situation where everyone and their brother is going to open up a short and then it's going to go, oh no, and everyone's going to be like, aha, I knew it. And then it's going to explode and liquidate a bunch of people. So keep an eye on that as well. Avalanche fully recovered the dump. Beautiful, beautiful form on Avalanche. It had this upper ascending wedge and broke bullish out of this, this is normally a bearish pattern. Broke bullish out of it. Beautiful target. Hit. It kind of did the Batman bongo cat formation in the chart. Also a Bart, I guess. You could call it a Bart, technically. It's got higher ears, but you can call it a Bart. Nice retracement on that. Use that as support. Kind of a bear trap, pretty much. This was a beautiful bear trap on Avalanche. Chainlink, also new highs just yesterday, and it looks amazing. I have no words. Chainlink broke out of its ascending triangle, bullish, and then had a nice little downtrend, potential flag, I guess you might want to call it, and then it broke out of that. A nice swing down and back up, and then a bear trap again. Ate that bear trap and kind of used that as that previous resistance as support to continue to the upside. Would love to see that continue even further to the upside. Chainlink looks amazing right now. Doge 0.26% on the day. Doge just kind of repeating the same thing that it's been doing for what, months now, since November. This is a huge accumulation. Is it going to be a Bart? That would be pretty interesting if it was. I don't think so, though. If it is, I don't think it's going to be a full Bart. I don't think it's going all the way back down here. But who knows? It could happen. I would love to see it just continue to the upside. It does genuinely look like a proper accumulation zone. Lunk, I just have this on the chart for fun, but the previous resistance is now acting as support. This is also setting up the fugly head and shoulders. So I would not be surprised again to see that act as a bear trap. On Lunk, Polygon Matic Pole. Polygon Matic Pole, nice support level right here, to be honest, which was previous resistance. Broke bullish out of that. Bart, bear trap, beautiful. Near, same thing, longer term trend from way the heck back here. Bounced off of that perfectly, which could also say that that's just this support right here, which was previous resistance right here and right here. Just a nice looking chart. Chili's, also the same thing as everything else. Broke bullish out of this bullish pattern. Continuation to the upside. Nice ride in this upper trend line. This 13, which is a long-term resistance level for Chili's. I would like to see it get back up there, retest, and continue. I want to see Chili's outperform everyone's expectations this year and next year. MicroStrategy closed up 4.2%. Very nice, very cool. Little accumulation zone on MicroStrategy is looking like. Probably going to continue to the upside. We'll see what happens, though. DXY getting a little bullish, which is totally okay as long as our bags are pumping. Silver getting a little bearish. NASDAQ looking like it wants to set up a new all-time high, like it's no big deal. S&P, kind of the same thing, just chilling. Chilling on the S&P. Fractal looking great. Bitcoin dominance, 56.5. Kind of can't really make up its mind. Bitcoin itself, still chilling. 101.240. Very nice. Very cool. Let me go check the chat. Ricky Ricardo Crypto said, Dear JJ, my girlfriend tells me I'm quite a spectacular pump artist too. Just saying. Keep up the hard work. Hell yeah. Ricky, that's what I like to hear. Keep it up. Tell your girlfriend we said banana. Tyler said, zoom out on the Bitcoin. I think it's been consolidating from 97 to 103. I still think every new person pressure cooker, LMAO. That's exactly what's going to happen. I'm gonna have to set up a page like Ben Cowan that's like the pressure cooker is a ancient trading technique or something crazy, and then like pay $1 a month for my trading. Hoff said a lot of these tokens still have inverse head and shoulders 4-hour. Tyler said, hey Hoff, you're welcome for that win yesterday. John said, you're too. Hoff said, OMG. Unfortunately, Hoff's is in his wrong account, so he's not going to win today. The Irishman said, Zeus? Sure. Tyler said, VChain. JWest Adventure said, what's up, chat? Like the stream. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. We got 10 people watching. We have 7 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. If you guys are not aware of the daily close contest, you submit what price you think Bitcoin is going to close at on the Bitcoin Binance USDT chart. We start 10 minutes prior to the close. We stop taking submissions 5 minutes prior to the close, and we only take the first 10 people. When you submit your guess in the chat, you might not be able to put the decimal point in it. You just put however many numbers you want to put. I will understand where the decimal goes. Otherwise, you can type it in words, like John types in 100 and then the word 1,000 and then the next 3 sets of numbers and whatever. But sometimes YouTube filters out your guys' messages thinking it's a phone number or a link or something. So I'm going to change from top chat to live chat to make sure I don't miss anything. Also, another alternative, you guys can submit your answer in the Discord, which is down in the description. A little shameless plug here. Let me go over to the YouTube channel and go to the video and mute this. And then, guys, check out the description. If you guys want to help support the channel, you guys can donate various cryptos or cash via various apps. You guys can also sign up to Coinbase, Bitunix, or Ourbit using my affiliate links. That also helps the channel. Follow me on Twitter. Join our Discord. It is not my Discord. It is a group of like-minded crypto folks that I came from. I don't plan on having my own Discord ever. Just join that community. It's a beautiful, lovely community. It's like one big crypto family. The Telegram is for my channel specifically. It is in its infancy. There's only about 9 or 10 people, but Dave does share some pretty good gems in there. Very rarely, but when he does, they usually pump like crazy. Not financial advice. And then last but not least, guys, check out the merch store. We got some pretty cool crypto merch there. Pretty cool channel merch as well. We got the Evolution snapback of the Ghost logo. We got Number Go Up beanie. We got other crypto beanies. We got some hoodies. We got some sick Cardano meme coin merch. We got t-shirts and stuff. We got other mugs and stuff. Just go check it out. And get back to it. Ooh, let's see. Oh yeah, the biggest thing you guys can do for us is share the stream with your friends and family. We have been blasting to the upside with subscribers, so I'm not sure what's happening, but we're doing pretty damn good. We've gained like anywhere from 5 to 10 subs overnight for like the past week every night, so we're kind of kicking ass. Yeah, definitely just share the stream with whoever you think might be interested in subscribing. We got some crypto articles to read. Bitcoin's chilling at 101,300, looking very good. I'm gonna go into dark mode and get started. We got this. There's some random asset called Ether. I don't know what it is, but they're saying Ether fractals target 5K, and Avalanche raises $250 million finance redefined. I don't know what that means. Increasingly more analysts and chart patterns are pointing to an imminent Ether breakout to an all-time high, bolstered by BlackRock doubling its Ether ETF holdings. Very cool. Ether is setting up for a rally above 5,000, coined as a minimum target by crypto analysts, anticipating a cycle top above $15,000 for the world's second largest cryptocurrency. Excuse me. Here comes the Taco Bell. In a wider crypto space, Avalanche closed a $250 million private locked token sale from over 40 companies ahead of Avalanche 9000, purportedly the most important upgrade to the Layer 1 blockchain network's history. Guys, this is going to be big, this Avalanche 9000. This might be the Cardano of this cycle. I'm not going to lie. And that's coming from a self-proclaimed Cardano maximalist. Ether, again, I don't know what that coin is, to $5,000 on Fractals BlackRock ETH ETF holdings 2x with $500 monthly buy. Look, they actually... So BlackRock bought this Ether thing and Ethereum. That's kind of crazy. Ether could see a rally over $5,000 based on technical chart patterns, and analysts predict its bullish momentum may extend until the end of 2025. Wow. The Ether price could surge above 5,000 all-time high, driven by its correlation with Bitcoin, which surpassed 100,000 for the first time on December 5th. Ether's rally to, they have to say it so many times, to 5,000 to a $5,000 record high may be a minimum target, according to fractal patterns shared by popular crypto analyst Titan of Crypto in a December 6th X post. How come I'm not a popular crypto analyst? My fractals play out like every time. In crypto trading, technical traders use price fractals patterns to identify key support and resistance levels and potential trend reversals based on historical data. Increasingly, analysts are bullish on Ether price, with some predicting an impulse breakout to $15,000 by the end of 2025. Very cool. Avalanche raises $250 million ahead of Avalanche 9000 launch. Layer 1 blockchain Avalanche announced the closure of a $250 million private lock token sale led by Galaxy Digital, Dragonfly, and Parafi Capital on December 12th. More than 40 companies joined the token sale, including Skybridge, SCB Limited, HiveMind, Big Brain Holdings, Hypersphere, Luna Capital, Republic Capital, Morgan Creek Digital, FinTech Collective, and others. The raise comes ahead of the launch of the Avalanche 9000 network upgrade, purported to be the most significant upgrade in Avalanche history. Hell yeah. Guys, I think this is going to be a big deal. It might be a sell the news event, but I think longer term, I think Avalanche is going to go crazy, specifically because of all the news coming out around it. I think it's going to be sick. Let me zoom in, get to my 1 minute chart. We got less than 1 minute to go on the Bitcoin daily close contest. So guys, prepare your guesses. Let me see. I am in live chat. WF Capital, happy birthday, my guy. We got less than 1 minute. Let's all sing happy birthday. Are you ready? Everybody? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Hell yeah. Happy birthday, my guy. Cheers. Guys, I don't know if you guys were aware, me and WF Capital were playing Daisy last night, and I got popped. I was just standing in a field like an idiot on top of a fucking hay bale, and he sat with my gear for like an hour until I ran all the way back to that fucking field. He's a fucking goat. Tell him happy birthday in the chat now. Fucking legend. Now get your damn guesses in. Oh, man. All right, JJ's Venture is the first guess, which means he wins absolutely nothing. Congratulations, JJ's Venture. Who's next? Janix? You end up finding 2 water bottles or some shit? I did. Yes, dude. That was clutch. The water bottles came in clutch. Because then I was able to just haul ass all the way to him. I got lost, dude. I was supposed to go northwest. Somehow I ended up going southwest. I like ran further away from him at first. It was such a shit show. Fun time, though. Definitely a fun time. Let me see. Maybe I can put these in order while I'm doing this. Anybody else? Anybody else? I have to submit my guess for my John M account. Hold on. I'm just kidding. Janix saying new daily high 101, 263 and 99 cents. Is that your guess, Janix? I'm going to put that down as your guess. $101, 193, 101, 263, 101, 320, 115. Very cool. Very nice. Let's go. John and Hoffs. I'm going to copy these separately. 100, 882, 72. Hops 101, 250.01. Copy, copy, copy. One 250.01. Fahid got in today. Fahid's going to take it. That's my guess for the winner today. Fahid. I forgot to look at how much it was. 101, 132 and 56 cents. Oops. Okay. John's got some competition. John said 101, not 100. Okay, I'm going to fix it for you, John. I got you. Watch it be 100, 882 and 72 cents. How fucked would that be? Oh, shit. What is happening? 101, 882 and 72 cents. That Taco Bell's got me all fucked up. Okay, anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Oh, it's too late. John, it's too late. I need your final answer. Hoff said, John, type your number like a normal person, not a psychopath. John, you got 100 or 101? Pick one. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it at 101. You can't change your mind that many times. 100 or 101? Okay, keep it 100. Okay. Dang, look at that candle, how green it got. Ooh. That's it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hugh Philly. All right. 1015, 101, 320, 101, 263, 101, 250, 101, 193, 101, 132, 100, 882.72. They are in order. That is a much more efficient way of doing things. It does also help that not everyone is trying to talk at once. Who do I think is going to win? I'm going to go with Fahid still. I'm going to go with Fahid because every time he guesses, he nails it. That's the only reason I'm saying Fahid. Hoff said, my God, every night, this is the most complicated thing. John M's entry. And Hoff's may or may not be victory. I think that's the most complicated thing. Me figuring out if Hoff's won or not. There's some kind of like subconscious sympathy there after Pennygate. All right, guys. We got 4 minutes remaining. Bitcoin is currently trading at 101, 452 and 2 cents. Are we going to have to move our numbers? It's getting spicy. Very, very spicy. Look at that big uptick in volume. Very nice. Tyler said, please let me win. Damn. All right. Tyler's at 101, 580 cents. You got to be closest without going over. So the price would have to go above 101, 580 cents. Or it could be 101, 580 cents, and he could win a big boy prize. It's going to be close. We got 3 minutes remaining, 3 candles remaining, 3 amigos, 3 Deathly Hallows from Harry Potter. I've been on a Harry Potter kick lately. If you don't like Harry Potter, then fuck you. WF Capital said portfolio up 8K. Great birthday so far. Hell yeah. Hoff said Tyler's gonna win. WF Capital said correction 89.37. Sweet. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, today's Friday the 13th. Crazy. So happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday the 13th. Hoff said I was researching today. Normally, when we get volume uptick at the end of the inverse head and shoulders is when it goes. Goes where? Guys, we got less than 2 minutes remaining, less than 2 candles remaining. Very cool. Very nice. Looks like a potential reversal setting up. It also looks like a potential like baby triangle, maybe. And like the super duper low time frame. Like the 1 second time frame. All right. WF Capital said Freaky Friday the 13th, Daisy birthday stream. Let's go. Hell yeah. Ooh, excuse me. 101.460. So I'm streaming, guys. I'm streaming with Drew and WF Capital, and I'm talking. I said I wanted cookies or something like that, and they both go, "I'm on a strict diet," and I was like, "Oh, I eat Little Debbie cakes on stream every day," and I just got done eating Taco Bell. Oh man. Jay Sure said, "Yo, just found your channel. Just sub. Keep up the great work. Thanks for your time. Thank you for subscribing and smashing the like button. Welcome." Guys, we got less than 1 minute to go for the daily close contest. Who's going to take it? Dun-dun-dun-dun. We're at 101.423, which would make it JY's Adventure, 416. As long as it stays above 320, he's going to take it. What's it going to do? We could get a violent spike in either direction, either way. What's going to happen? We got to get some dramatic music when this stuff goes down. Now I'm just waiting in the quiet. I killed the vibe. Less than 1 minute to go. There it is. What's the close? 101.424 and 25 cents. 101.424.25. Okay. Tyler's too far over. JY's Adventure is just under. Janix is way too far. Hoffs is way too far. Jalome is way too far. Vahid is way too far. John is way too far. JJ's Guess is way too far. JY's Adventure is the winner! Closest without going over. Yes. He did not go over. Okay. Congratulations, JY's Adventure. Spam the bananas in the chat for JY's Adventure. Send your unsolicited nudes. Very cool. Congratulations. Hell yeah. I stubbed my toe a little bit. Woohoo! Hell yeah. Very cool. Very nice. Congratulations, JY's Adventure. Let me put your name on the damn chart. Cement you in history. History in the making. Friday the 13th winner, JY's Adventure. $101,424.25. Hell yeah. Guys, don't forget to spam the bananas in the chat. Congratulate JY's Adventure for winning today's daily close contest. He wins bragging rights, which means he gets to brag for as long as he wants to today about being the victor. Sweet. Also, spam the bananas in the chat. Whew. Tyler said VeChain. Hoff said highest close ever. Let's check it out. Go to the daily. That was indeed the highest daily close on Bitcoin in the world, in history, ever. In the entire galaxy, of the planet, of the solar system, of the neurons, of the toilet paper. The highest daily close Bitcoin has ever seen. Ever. Even though time is an illusion, it's still a big freaking deal. Congratulations, JWest Venture. Hell yeah. The ultimate victory. And let's see what Bitcoin dominance is doing. Still kind of chilling, not really making up its mind. ETH, also the same thing, total 3. Now we gotta wait like a half hour for everything to start doing its thing. Everyone's got cold feet right now. They're like, oh, I don't know what direction it's gonna go. I don't know if I want to buy it. What if it goes down? Tyler said, well, there's my 1015, off by just a few minutes. That's better than 1 penny. Hoff said, bullish engulfing, hell yeah. JWest Venture said, oh shit, I won the Friday the 13th. Yes, you did. Congratulations. You got extra luck, my friend. Maybe buy a lotto ticket. Not financial advice, but if you do win, I do expect a small portion. A very small portion. Give me like 1%. 1 to 5. All right, let's update our liquidation heat map, see if that has changed at all since the price has moved. Go to symbol, go to 12 hour. Let's see, we got 101, 938. Oh, nope, it did not move, okay. And then below, we got a big boy at 100, 722. That is also still the same. Very cool, very nice. Let's go check out VeChain. VeChain on Binance. Doo-doo-doo. Let me go to the daily. Zoom out. VeChain looking good. Recoupled to the legacy fractal. Even actually went a little bit further than the legacy fractal. Should I scoot the legacy fractal? It is doing this, which is kind of crazy. So don't be surprised if it spikes up to like 73 and then goes all the way back down to 40. Or I'm sorry, to 7.3 pennies. And then goes all the way back down to 4 cents. And then continues to the upside. Not financial advice, though. I'm not going to move the legacy fractal because I don't believe in that. It's blasphemous. But you guys have it for reference there in case you want to check it out. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Honestly, if I did move it. But again, I'm not going to. The target is number go up. VeChain looks good. It really does. Weekly is a little bit red, but the daily looks like it's recovering nicely. And the 4 hour looks like it's setting up for further recovery. You had the pressure cooker play out here. And honestly, if I wanted to put some lines on the chart, you probably could have had it right here too. That might just be a parabola though. Maybe like a bull flag kind of breakout continuation situation. I don't know. But VeChain looks good. What else we got? You guys chill and chill? Chill away. JWest Avenger said, I've unlocked some crazy luck in my trades. Tyler said, VeChain. JWest Avenger said, nah, no lotto needed. All my coins will 1000x now. Hell yeah. Tyler said, if it goes to 0.04, I'm buying more. JWest Avenger said, all these AI agents on Solana hit 1 bill and I missed all of them. Damn, I missed most of them too. John said, can we look at NOS? Yes, we can. Is that a stock? No, it is not. Nosana? Is this like a... Let's see. $4 and a penny. And when I zoom out... What's speaking to me? Whoa. Oh my gosh, imagine buying this thing down here. Wow. At literally 0. What the heck is this? You got some potential bearish div wanting to set up. Or maybe it did already? Yeah, I don't know. It's sloppy. It's sloppy. If that was the case and it played out 14%, yeah, you could argue that that played out already. Is this the right one? Hold on, let me check the chat. WF Capital said I got bully. Hoff said you need to add a drone to the thumbnail. Right. That's actually a good idea. I'm doing it. I'm going to do it. What else do I see? There's also bullish div right here. So the bullish div pushed it into bearish div, which kind of played out. And it's, I don't know, it's a very consolidated chart. Like it wants to go down. People are trying to sell, but there's too many people buying. The curl rate here is what's thrown me off. There's no straight line to be had here. You could argue that this is a straight line right there, but the rest of it is literally a parabola. So is it going to just bust to the upside? That's possible. There's a psychological thing that I think that happens in the chart with these lines. I can't draw one today. Right here. Ready? Yeah. Okay. I don't know if people like see that it's going that direction and then they start buying. There's definitely something that happens with that. And then if you go overall, it even does that thing. Right here, the average right here. It's just that. It's a nice like bowl shape. So maybe it sets up some kind of crazy inverse head and shoulders. Or maybe that's what it's doing right now. I don't know, it's hard to say. This is a goofy chart. This trough played out nicely on the RSI as well. You also don't have a lot of volume. Like the volume here was insane. And then you have nothing over here. And there's price action suddenly. There's definitely, okay, it is picking up. When you zoom in, that helps. That definitely helps. So you had flat volume here, and then it starts to spike up a little bit, and it's still like a little bit higher, and then over here it's crazy. But you do still have these random spike points. But they are increasing over time, which is good. And as the volume increases, the price does as well. So it seems to have a good potential for continued upside. I would just keep an eye on it. Because the RSI is choppy while it's trying to chop up. And you do seem to get these random moves to the upside like that. So this is on the daily. Let me go to the 4 hour. Maybe the 4 hour will be better. It's pretty much the same. But you do have resistance right here. That's what's probably keeping it down. But it is getting pushed up towards that, which is nice. Maybe it's just going to get kind of cornered right here and then just bust to the upside. I could see that. What else can I see? Yeah, see, it was resistance here, support here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. That's a big resistance level. So I'd want to see it break above that, use that as support, and continue to the upside. Until it does that, this is also a hurry up and wait. John said it's like render. Okay. JY said, any good unpumped altcoins at the lows that fit a narrative we can look at? Narrative. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. I think CoinMarketCap sorts narratives, don't they? Cryptocurrencies, categories. Yep. So we got, what the heck is rehypo? Let's go to AI. Let's go to DeFi. Let's go to gaming. Let's go to DePIN. And let's go to real world assets. What do we got? Avalanche is down. This is just today, I think, so I'm not even going to look at that. I'm assuming this is sorted by market cap. Yeah, sorted by number, which is market cap. The 7-day. I wish I could see the. Honestly, probably anything in here that's above the top 100 or even above the top 50. Like Ondo's probably a decent one. Maker, Quaint, IOTA. Allegedly, I think IOTA is one of the quantum resistant coins. So with all that quantum BS, that might be a decent one. Reserve rights, I think we looked at too. That looks like a decent play. These are down pretty hard though. 20%, 23%. Credit coin. Origin Trail. I think this one's a shit coin. Not financial advice though. RWA. I don't know. I know all of these names. They're not really doing it for me. But just like quick number wise, I would stick between like 50 and 100. AI, I'm 50-50 on whether or not I care about AI. I do like Render because Render ticks more than one box. Render covers AI, Render covers DPIN. I don't think it qualifies as real world asset. But the decentralized physical infrastructure and artificial intelligence aspect of Render, I think, makes it a huge play. Filecoin also. Filecoin is also DPIN. And apparently AI, which is kind of crazy. BitTensor, I don't know anything about. Theta, I think, is going to be a big player. I think Theta is going to come out of nowhere again. This, I believe, was like, they were supposed to be like the YouTube of crypto. If I'm correct. Let me see. Where is it? Dual network consisting of two complementary subsystems. Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge network. Theta proof of stake blockchain provides payment, reward, staking, and smart contract capabilities, while the Edge network is responsible for the compute, storage, and delivery of video streams, AI tasks, and other scientific simulation of financial modeling use cases. There you go. So I think Theta is going to kind of make a comeback. People are going to, like, the new people are going to come into the space. They're going to learn about Theta, and they're going to be like, oh my gosh. And they're going to make their TikTok. They're going to be like, guys, Theta can go to $1 billion each coin, and you need to load up. And everyone's going to be like, oh my gosh, dude, I have like 12 Theta. So it's going to be 12 billion. And that's what's going to happen. That's just my guess. WF Capital wants to look at Jasmine. J. Westventure said, sounds good. Think AI overpumped. I agree. J. Westventure said, maybe gaming is next. I am looking for gaming to make a comeback for sure. Tyler said, AI plus DPIN plus RWA equals pin link. Just saying. Very cool. Cash Oak said, what up? Scaling in a long on GMX 15-minute cup and handle. Nice. Let's go take a look at Jasmine for our birthday boy. The birthday boy. All I can think of is that scene. I can't play it. I'll get copyright striked so hard. From Thor Ragnarok, where he's like, where Banner's flying the Grandmaster's spaceship, and he's like he's like, there's got to be guns on this thing, and he's pressing all these buttons, and then all of a sudden fireworks come out, and the Grandmaster like hologram pops up, and it's like, it's my birthday. It's just so funny. And then he's like, what did you say this ship was used for? And Valkyrie's like, the Grandmaster uses it for his orgies and stuff. Oh, shit. That's so fucking good. I love that movie. Okay. Jasmine kind of played out exactly how we were expecting. The giant broadening wedge. Is it ascending, technically? The giant ascending broadening wedge busted to the upside. I'm pretty sure you had bullish and bearish div playing out this whole way. Yeah, you definitely did. So that was technically a form of the pressure cooker move. And then you had a little flag right here, which resulted in some further upside. And then it retraced, which is what we always see with the pressure cooker. Now, what do you have happening? It looks like a general uptrend. Let's see. Let me get a trend line in here. General uptrend. matching up very nicely with the previous general uptrend. Is it going to continue? What you want to see is this hold. You do not want to see it break below this. And if it does, you want to see it quickly regain that support. Until then, it looks like it's just chilling. A lot of people are talking about Jasmy. I don't know what the hell they do. Allegedly, some people affiliated with Sony are like on the team or whatever. But I feel like it's a decent play. Volume's picking up really, really like a lot. You could see the volume growth right here. It was nothing, 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 and then it ramped up. And then it spiked up right here, and then it started getting big, violent spikes, and now it's like solid more volume for sure. It's looks good. Looks good right now. The entirety of the alt market looks great. But this coin does look pretty decent. Let me go back to the chat. Guys, don't forget to say congratulations to JJ's Adventure. He won today, the Friday the 13th daily close contest. Very cool. Very nice. Send him your unsolicited nudes. Zaza Wick said Jasmy to 0.09. What's it at right now? Ooh, okay. So you're looking for a 2x. I like that. I'll take it. Ooh, okay. Tyler said, and Pinlink is in gaming. WF Capital said, that's me. Tyler said, if you don't get Pinlink, you're missing out. Just saying. Zazawick Jasmine to 2.09. Tyler said, it's the first crypto to be RWA AI, wow, AI plus DPIN and used in gaming to exist. I feel like everybody says that. Remember, guys, there is no such thing as gaslighting. It does not exist. JY's Adventure said Psy could be a play. Big time as well. You can play big time. I like that. Blocktopia, I feel like. Blocktopia is a sleeper. That one was a big one last bull. Everyone bought like a level because it's supposed to be like an endless skyscraper, and you can buy a level and they'll design it for you and stuff. Really cool VR crypto gaming project actually. And it's down bad. Yeah, look at this. Whew. They kind of came around right at the peak hype of the gaming crypto era of last bull market. You can see here I probably bought some of this at 19. Don't tell anyone. Not even 19. 0.019. And now it's down like a lot. I don't own it anymore, but I did once upon a time. But yeah, man, I don't know if it can go that high. I'm sure it's inflated since then, but I do think it's a sleeper. They have an established product, and they're still building. They have been building since day one, and people use it. It's pretty cool. What else do we got? Tyler said, JJ, I'll punch you right in your virtual face. Oh, fuck. He fucking said it right when I did it. That's great. JY's Adventure said, LOL, I remember Block. We had a dude in the Discord. His name was Big Smokey. He was a Block maxi, like so hard. And he was a cool dude. I don't know. I think he just got overwhelmed with the crypto thing, and it kind of took a shit. So he was one of the people that we lost during the bear market. But I still respect him. He didn't leave on bad terms. He just left. Hoff said, JY, you're looking for a coin that hasn't pumped. JY's Adventure said, Ape coin could be a sleeper. Hated rally. That's what Snack is doing right now. I think Snack is the ape coin of this cycle. Waterfly was the one who mentioned that, and I was like, yeah, actually, that actually makes a lot of sense. All right, let's see what else we can go through. I'm not really feeling the RWA. And the AI is iffy. I like the AI stuff that I know is more than AI. How is Turbo in here? Okay, I understand. Turbo, I think, was AI created. Or here's Origin Trail again. Apparently, they're just going to be everywhere. Fuckers. Golem is DPIN as well as AI. I didn't know Cadena was in here. That's kind of cool. Flux, Chromia, Casper, Pal, Spectral, Delicia. Humans, AI, Zigchain. There's Nos. Here's Nos for John. Very cool. It's like a it's like a cameo. It's like when they say the title of the movie in the movie, and you're like, oh Oh, I didn't know GPU was only $165 million market cap. Really? Wow. This project pisses me off so bad. This chain GPT, it's fucking trash. You have to own like fucking $8,000 worth of it in order to actually use it. I hope they've updated it since then, but when I first looked at it, I was like, "Oh, this could be cool. I might use it." And I'm looking into it and it's like, "You need to own X amount," which you think that they would make that change as the price changes, but no. Because the price went up, you need to spend like $8,000 to be able to use this like thing that you can get from anybody else for like $5 a month. It pissed me off so bad. We got 17 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Subscribe if you're new, and share the stream with your friends and family. Check out the links in the description. You guys can donate to the channel, help support us. Sign up to our affiliate links, and buy some merch. Or you can just join our community. Everyone's welcome. The biggest thing you can do, though, is smash the like button and share the stream with your friends and family. Yeah, GPU market cap 165 mil. Fully diluted value 175. Okay, so it's almost fully circulating. That's promising. Yeah, it's making a decent comeback. I actually like it. It looks good. Theta looks good. Let's look at DeFi. I think DeFi is going to be another big one because it seems to be a big one every year. That's like the biggest selling point in crypto. Tyler said, JJ, just research Pinlink whenever please, just for me. More than AI, like Pinlink, LMAO. Cashapp said, I put 900 in ZRC, LOL. Big gamble, Zercut. Hoff said, everyone buy Pinlink so Tyler shuts up. Cashapp said, came out 2 weeks ago, 3-ish. Okay, we'll check it out. We'll research Pinlink as well for Tyler. Let's see. We got Avalanche, Chainlink, Hedera, Uniswap, Aave, Dai, Phantom, Mantra, Ohm, Stacks, Athena, Injective, The Graph. How is The Graph DeFi? What the fuck? Thorchain, Lido. This one shouldn't be DeFi either, but sure. Maker, Radium, Jupiter, Aerodrome, Tezos, Curve, eGold, Synthetics, Conflux, PancakeSwap, Compound, Wormhole, Reserve Rights, Gnosis, Terra Classic, 1inch Network, Nervous Network, Kava. Excuse me. EtherFi. Fuck this coin. Get this out of here. Theta Fuel, 0x Protocol. Woo! JTO. Anchor, DYDX. Just. Basic Attention Token, Cadena, Frax, Versus Coin, Morpho, Clearpool, Urine Finance. Urine Finance drive me crazy too. Loopring, Tribe, Rocket Pool, Frax Share. What are all of these? These are awful. I like Cody. Chromia, Band, Deep Book Protocol, Cetus, BounceBit, Solar, VVS. I don't know. I'm not seeing any actual like DeFi protocols. There's like very few of them in here. These are all like frickin' DEXs or like RWA. None of these are DeFi. There's like layer ones or like I said, DEX coins, but those don't really make sense because they give you access to DeFi. I don't know. It's kind of a little bothersome. That's like saying a tire manufacturer's stock is automotive. It's just weird. Fahid said monkey, MONKY. Let's see. Space Ape meme token on Hedera. Said Hedera has growing DeFi space. Okay. But that's on Hedera. Every layer one has DeFi. On Saucer Swap and Silk Swap. See, Saucer Swap and Silk Swap being on the DeFi list on CoinMarketCap makes sense. But like, if I don't know, if they're gonna show me, I closed the freaking thing. Hold on, let me open it back up. If they're gonna show me Avalanche and Chainlink and Hedera, why isn't ETH and Bitcoin and Cardano and Solana on here too? The layer ones being under DeFi is kind of stupid in my opinion. because it's a layer 1. It has everything on it. They should be under all the categories by that standard. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's go look at Monkey for Fahid. Why is Monkey Tether? Oof. Oh my gosh. What the heck, Fahid? That's painful. Damn. This is what Rascal Flatts wrote a song about. Tyler said, thanks, Hoff. Hoff, you're OG, man. Hoff said, is there a drone coin? Tyler said, JJ, if you research and buy pin link, I'll send you 20 ADA. Space Ape meme token on Hedera said, I get what you mean about that layer 1 coins. Well, I'll tell you what, Space Ape meme token. I am going to go take a look at Saucer Swap and Silk Swap, because you graciously joined the chat and engaged in a lovely conversation. So this is available on MXC. Okay, Sauce. Hedera, I will say, is one of our sleeper calls that we've been talking about because they're working with the Fed and stuff. This looks great. Look at this. Spike up, consolidation, spike up, consolidation. Is it going to spike up again? That looks very similar. Looks incredibly similar. I mean, look at that. That's like the same freaking thing. This looks great. What's the market cap? 90 million? This might be a great play. What's the other one? Do they have a token? They do. But it looks like it's only available on Hedera. Here's the big question. Is Hedera on Dex Screener? Yes, it is. Ooh. Look at that. Look at how green everything is, too. The one okay, so it's lacking a little bit of like the meme coin trading volume. Everything like pumping like crazy every 2 seconds. But it looks good. You got Grelf, Sauce, Pack, H Barbarian. That's fun. Leland, Eggs. Oh, Space Ape. Ooh. H-Bar has been running hard. Sauce has more limited supply. Bullish on both, but I'm biased naturally. Okay. Your meme token looks lovely, sir. If I do say so myself. Tyler said, oh, so fuck my 28. Tyler, your thing's going to take a little bit longer. So I gotta like work my way to it. Hoff said, Ave going for 400. Very cool. I mean, Space Ape on Hedera looks awfully pumpy. Reclaiming some previous highs. Very nice. I like it. I'm going to add this to the watch list. That's going to be our first H-bar meme. I do also like the photo. And the art style in the background. It's like a Christmassy cyberpunk Neo-Tokyo kind of situation. Capitulating the Hedera ecosystem to the moon with the mission to raise awareness for Hedera's cutting-edge digital ledger. I mean, you're doing your damn job. I will say that. Using DaVinci tools on Hedera, which is why our fully diluted value is higher than our market cap. In addition to the token burns, another 5% of the supply is locked for 98 years. The founder continues to buy back and burn more tokens routinely. Very nice. Are you the founder? Because that's crazy. H-bar has been, yep. Thank you, sir. We are growing. LOL, much appreciated. Thank you for stopping by. shield the stream with your people. That would be pretty cool. We got a bunch of H-bar folks because we do like H-bar. All right. Let's do some research on, guys. I heard there's this project I heard about called Pinlink. Tyler said, "Are you gonna rock it?" He said, "Doxed on Head Starter with Kabila." Thank you. There you go, Tyler. That should answer your question. Don't worry about Tyler. He just threatened to punch me in the face earlier. Okay. Anyways, guys, this project called Pinlink that I heard about. How do I even buy it? Hang on. I forget what it's on. Is it on ETH? I'm gonna have to turn down the purchase. Tyler. I'm sorry. But I will continue to talk about it on stream. And it does look good. I'm probably going to regret not buying it because it does look like it's setting up a perfect pressure cooker bust to the upside. Should I buy some? God damn it. It's going to take me so long. I feel like I probably should. Tyler said I can't really hear you that good. I'm talking right in the mic. I can talk more in the mic. Does this help? If I talk really, really like quiet into the mic, does this help? I feel like this takes away from the stream though, because I'm just talking to like a black turd. Buy it, look at supply and market cap. You and I have different views on supply and market cap. But it seems to have the marketing. The supply and market cap doesn't matter if people aren't going to buy any. But people are buying it, so it does matter. John said, "Oh, for fuck's sake, back away." John can smell my breath. The Taco Bell. We got 15 people watching. Tyler, I'll buy some after the stream. Actually, better yet, if you're going to send me 20 ADA, just send me 20 ADA worth of Pinlink. That way I can avoid. And you know what? I don't have any ETH in my wallet, so I won't be able to sell it. Cheers. Because I'm also poor, so if I bought any, it's going to be less than 20 ADA worth. But he said, like the stream and subscribe, of course. Guys, make sure you check out the description as well. Bunch of fun stuff in there. Let's go through some more articles really quick, and then we'll get back to our coin hunting and me and Tyler discussing whether or not I'm going to buy some Pinlink on stream. Coinbase faces $1 billion lawsuit over wrapped Bitcoin delisting. BitGlobal is suing Coinbase for $1 billion, claiming unfair practices after it delisted wrapped Bitcoin to promote its own competing product. Coinbase Bitcoin. Crypto exchange Coinbase is being sued for over $1 billion by BitGlobal Digital Limited, which is accusing the company of harming the market for wrapped Bitcoin after a November discussion to delist the token. In a December 13th complaint, BitGlobal alleges that Coinbase's decision to delist wrapped Bitcoin is aimed at promoting its own competing product, Coinbase Bitcoin, a move that resulted in massive financial losses and eroded consumer confidence in wrapped Bitcoin. Just for the record, guys, wrapped Bitcoin is stupid. I don't care if it's made by whoever the fuck these people are or Coinbase. Don't buy wrapped assets. They're vulnerable and stupid. If you're going to buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. Why do you need it wrapped on some other fucking platform? That's stupid. I'm sorry. The exchange announced the token delisting on November 19th, citing undisclosed failures to meet its standards for listing tokens. In a statement to Cointelegraph, a Coinbase spokesperson emphasized the company's listing standards. Coinbase is committed to maintaining the high integrity of our listing standards, and we regularly evaluate assets listed on our platform. Should an asset fail to meet those standards, it is delisted. So they seem to have a legal ground to stand on. Oh, shit. The Pepe coin passed Coinbase's non-existent listing standards just 6 days before Rep Bitcoin supposedly failed them. How you gonna... Okay, you can't lash out at Pepe, because then everyone's just gonna shit on you, bro. Nobody wants your stupid Rep Bitcoin. Go home. So they're mad because they were holding Rep Bitcoin like idiots. There's probably some guy there that's like, we need to hold Rep Bitcoin because it's important for this reason. And then it rugged. And everyone was probably like, what the fuck? Chang? And he was like, it wasn't me, it was Coinbase. Tyler said, what's your Discord, Tyler? Go into the description of the stream, and it should be one of the bottom links. Hold Rep Bitcoin. Right here, description, scroll down to the bottom, right there. Bam. Join Discord. Are you talking to me? Or are you talking to somebody else? Let's see. Pop said, pull up Aptos weekly. Look at the huge W it's doing. Space Ape Meme Token on Hedera said, do you think Bitcoin is about to rip to the upside or a short-term pullback? Also, just a fun note, Hedera has its first pump fund style launchpad called Meme Job going live in the next 24 hours. That is sick. If you stop by the stream tomorrow while I'm streaming, which is usually around the time of the daily close, I will definitely check that out on stream. John said, okay, I'm putting my entire portfolio into wrapped Bitcoin. Space Ape said it was created by Headstarter. Tyler said, what's your Discord? Space Ape said, LOL. John said, Coinbase listing standards equal it. Is it illegal? Or is it legal? And will it make us money? Exactly. Hop said, you got to pull up Aptos. I've never seen a more perfect W on a weekly chart. Hops is selling this so hard right now. He must see that I have 15 people on live right now and he wants me to pump his bags. Okay. First, I must go pull up Aptos. Then, what else was I going to do? Tyler said I can't find it. I'm not good at YouTube. LOL. I think I can copy paste it into the... Let me see. Hang on. Give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, I can copy paste it into the chat. There you go. That should work. If you end up in some creepy, weird, like, porno Discord, that's not the right one. Not that I would have that. Bail out. That's just on my fucking clipboard. Ooh, Altcoin Daily talked about it. Look at that. You don't need me buying it on my stream and stuff. Get out of here. What else was I doing? I was going to go look at Aptos because Hops is freaking out about it. Hello? Aptos. Is it APT? Why would it not just be the whole thing? It's the shortest name in the world. Hops, what are you talking about? Where? He said, let me see, hold on. You got to pull up Aptos. I've never seen a more perfect W on a weekly chart. Okay. On a weekly chart. There we go. That's better. This? We've looked at this. We looked at this already. It's a double bottom. I don't know if you can call it a W. I think in order for it to technically be a W, it would have had to have come from up here. But this is a double bottom. It could also be a cup and handle. It could also be a double butt cheek. It could also be saggy titties. It could also be two balls. It could also be a bowling ball and a softball. It could also be a bowl and a spoon. It could also be a cauldron and a cup. But yeah, this looks good. It does look good. I don't like this. This is nasty to me. I don't know why that's there. I don't know why it's so violent. What happened? This is a 20% candle and then a 30% candle. And if you count the wicks, that's probably like 60%. Why did it do that? This is in March. Okay, so this Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, and then it just died hard. Immediately ripped down 60%. What the fuck happened? Nothing else did that. Why did this do that? But this weekly candle has fully recovered, which looks amazing. That dumped. What did it dump? How much did it dump? 30%, and it has since recovered 40%. That's pretty sick. Ow, my shoulder hurts. Let's see what else you got going on. He's going to say a bunch of stuff. Jake Feigen said Solana is trash, always the only crypto in the red. That happens, man. Tyler said, I need to be a member for 10 minutes, LOL. You're not going to talk about it and research? I can talk about it and research. Hoff said, Aptos has always run like that. What? Because it happened twice? It does look like it does that frequently. You got the violent spike up, the violent spike up, the less violent spike up. It does seem like it's getting less violent every time. What I would like to make sure of if I were investing in this is that it's not going to just reject off of this. You want to see it break out of this, retest, and continue. Otherwise, it's just trash. This is one of the flavor of the week coins that kind of blew up. Everybody bought the crap out of it and got rugged like idiots. And then every time it spiked up, they're like, you don't hold Aptos, you idiot. And then it went over like a month because they kept buying like idiots. And then it did it again. And they're like, you don't own it. When in reality, they sold down here. And then it started pumping again. And they bought right here. And it went up to here. And they're like, you don't. And then it went. And it kept doing that. That's why nobody talks about it anymore. But now that nobody talks about it anymore, it's probably going to break through this, retest, and continue to the upside. And then everyone's going to be like, ooh, I don't hold any more Aptos. Oh, Hoff said, I used to trade APT when it came out. Moves violently. If you trade it on shorter time frames, it does look like a good trader for sure. Jake said Fartcoin analysis. Let's go take a look at Fartcoin. Fartcoin on Sol. Fartcoin had some bullish dip, blasted to the upside after a little bit of chop. Very nice. Absolutely beautiful pattern on Fartcoin. Now the question is, what's it gonna do next? RSI back here, spike is 77.16, and the spike right here is 76.79. So as of right now, you want it to continue to the upside. Otherwise, it is setting up very, very faint bearish div, which is not necessarily a... Oh, maybe I lied. I lied. Yes, I have lied. Forget I said anything. I mean, I don't know what's next then for this thing, because it looks great. You got some kind of support right here from these two peaks. It's very, very like vague support, I would call it, but it is there. And then you got this right here as well. Previous support. So this is previous resistance turned support, hopefully. This is previous support, which was resistance here, which it broke through, retested, and continued. So I guess I would just like to see it hold this level. And if it breaks through, I want to see it hold this level. So it could do this, it could do this, it could do this. I want to see it hold either this level or this level. Personally, if I was trading this. It could just continue to the upside as well. It is oversold on the 4-hour, or it was, actually, it's not anymore, which is great. That being said, this is in fact bearish div right here. So that might result in your pullback this area. And maybe even it could do this and set up a bear trap, head and shoulders, and then invalidate that and bust to the upside violently. That's my bullish take on it. Bearish take, it could fail both of these support levels and retest it as resistance and then continue to the downside. But as of right now, it looks great. Like, this thing's blasting to the upside. It's farting along, which is exactly what we like to see. WF Capital said trenches. Tyler said, what do you want payment in to buy pin link? Buy ETH. If you want me to buy it, send ETH. Just send me pin link. WF Capital said trenches. I didn't effing buy it. Shake my head. Let's go take a look. I think I remember you mentioning that too. You can't win them all though. Oh shoot, the thing is cute. The logo's adorable. What do you mean you didn't effing buy it? It's only a $3 million market cap. Is this the one that you're talking about? Relax. It's coming back down. It's your birthday. It's my birthday. It is in a descending wedge. Yeah. Let's get the RSI pulled up on here. Very nice. Very cool. Volume dying off a little bit. RSI is getting chill. It's on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yep. Okay, so the 15 minutes, the only place we can get some RSI data. It's still pretty new. I would either look for this thing to like retrace a lot more or bust to the upside, break out of this, maybe break out, retest, and continue. Break out, retest, and continue. It could do anything. But it looks good. Let's go check out the Twitter. With Memecoins, TA may or may not be useless. Somehow we've made it work. 5 hours ago. It's day 1. We're just getting started. Welcome to the trenches. Crypto is supposed to be fun, and let's be honest, the space was pretty effing boring throughout the bear until Pump.Fun showed up. That's not a lie. I actually agree with that. It's been a while since I deployed something. Okay, who's Jimmy Exo? Is he a serial rugger? Actually, no. He's got a very little following. This actually seems like a decent, potentially decent play. Who's Josh? I know somebody named Josh. I guess I do. Why do I know this guy? I don't know. But yeah, Aptos looks good, Hoffs. Bitcoin. Let's go back to the 4 hour on the regular chart. I'm going to check the chat in a minute. See what else you guys want me to do. Bitcoin dominance. Still pretty indecisive. The rest of the charts look okay. Let me check the chat. WF Capital. Hold on. Janik said, LOL, send us all. Hoff said, can you buy Pinlink on Coinbase Wallet? Does Hoff know how Coinbase Wallet works? Janik said some. Janix is just having a conversation with himself at this point. WF Capital said, yes, 2K on the day, 2,000%. Haha. Tyler said, I have Pinlink on Cold Wallet. Too much work. LOL. Pick SUI HBAR ADA. SUI. Do I have a SUI address down there? I think I have a SUI address down there. Let me double check. On the day, 2,000. Bam. Okay. If you go into the description, I do. SUI right here. Because it's fast as fuck, boy. Sweet. Hoff said, can you pull up your Nike? I can't find that. Tyler said, I'm so sad. WF Capital said 50 couldn't hurt. Tyler said, I've been trying to get you in Pinlink since $1.70. Yes, swap ETH for Pinlink on Coinbase Wallet. $1.70. Don't tell me the price. Oh, shit. All right, fine. Fine, damn you. I'm doing it. Just beware, when I buy stuff, it goes down. So this might be it. The pressure cooker move does dictate that it should go up, but that might have played out already. I haven't fully analyzed the entire chart. This might have been your pressure cooker move right here. I don't know. I have no idea. That being said, my refund went through. What am I doing? Get out of here. Okay, and then I want to convert. Nope. Convert from, nope, from that. Yeah, and then to that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now here's my question. Genuine question. Do I need to use wrapped ETH? Tyler said yes. Well, okay. WF Capital said, okay, birthday YOLO, 100 USD trenches. That's my scratch ticket for my birthday. Let's fucking go. Hoff said, how can JJ be in the space and not own any ether? That's not a coin. Tyler said, don't buy. How do I get to the description? Scroll down. You should just be able to scroll down. Are you on a phone? Because on the phone, I have no idea. You should just be able to click this part. It says Friday Altseason Memeseason junk. You click on that, and then it'll open everything up. I'll just put my SUI wallet in the chat. I'm gonna put it in there again. I'm gonna double do it. I'm doing it twice. Okay, one more time for redundancy. Okay. Yep, that's the same one. Tyler said, I do ETH to pin link on Coinbase wallet. I don't do stuff in the wallet, though. John said, I'll only use wrapped ETH if you're worried about SCDs. I fucking hate wrapped anything. It pisses me off. Yes, on the phone. Who isn't on a phone? Me! I don't understand how you guys use phones. I'm 31. I hate using my phone for anything. Like, if I have to call somebody, sure. If I have to fucking text them, sure. If I'm in a pinch and I need to look something up, I'll use my phone. I don't know how I'm alone on this. I fucking hate using my phone for anything. It's miserable. Boss, who uses a desktop? What year is it? Well, I'm sorry you've been sucked in by the corporate machine with your fucking lame ass, overpriced Palm Pilot. I spent more on my computer, and that's still half the price. Tyler said I can't copy that. Are you serious? I don't know what to tell you then, Tyler. If you're on your phone and you don't know how to use it, then yeah, it's not my fault. What was I saying? The amount of money that I spent on my computer is still half of what all of you motherfuckers probably spent on your phones. And I can do twice as much. The phone is not the computer. Janix said, I have two phones laid in between my keyboard and mouse. And you guys are weird. You guys are weird, out of touch. I'm not weird. You guys are the weird ones. Yeah, see? Lord Twist and Jay said my laptop fucking rocks. That's what I'm talking about. I have a laptop too. Yeah, fuck a phone. That's fucking right. You did this to yourself, Hoffs. Tyler said MX250 Rider on Discord. Send wallet. SUI. Okay. Let me go to Discord. Let me copy my SUI wallet thingy. Hold on, I gotta unlock it. That is not the incorrect password. Is it? What? Hang on. Aha, I got it. I swear to God, I entered the same thing like 5 times. Okay, copy. Address copied. Open Discord. We do have to be friends on Discord in order for me to send you a DM. Is this the pin link guy? Okay. SUI Wallet. I'm going to send you a friend request too. Add friend. Just so that we're friends. I'm going to do it one more time. Let me go copy it. Copy, 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 copy. Address copied. Bam. Sent a second time. Cheers. Now I'm in the process of getting my ETH. Daisy on console, fucking trash compared to PC. Hell yeah. Lord Twist and J's, dude, if you want to join us, we've been playing Daisy, and it's so much fucking fun. Hoff said, all right, now we'll need Daisy mobile versus desktop. Dude, I started playing on console, and I've recently started playing on PC, and it's so much better, dude. It is so much better. Lord Twist and J's, if you want to join us, join the fucking Discord, and we'll all add you. It's me, WF Capital, and Drew. And it's been so much fun. We've been streaming it too. It's fucking fun, man. It is a ton of fun. I got fucking popped yesterday, and WF sat with my body for like an hour while I ran back with no compass. It was ridiculous. All right. I got my ETH. Now I need to send it, which is probably going to cost me $1,000. Fahid said, does SUI have any more unlocks coming? Otherwise, it's going to Moon. I'm not sure, actually. That's a good question. Let's look that up. I'm going to use mine to buy some Splo, though. SUI token unlocks and vesting. Oh my gosh, this is bright. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, it doesn't work. My thing doesn't work. Shit. My eyes. Oh, I can't read. It's too fucking bright, man. December 2024. Linear unlock. Unlocks 59%. I don't understand. Does this just continue unlocking every day? I'm confused. No. Then, I'm assuming. This is good until March 31st, I think. I think we're good until, I don't know, this is hard to read. I don't know what asshole was like, let's design it this way. This is a fucking dipshit. This looks like crap. Alright, I'm getting out of there. It's just blinding me, and it's pissing me off. Guys, don't forget to congratulate JY's Adventure for winning the Friday the 13th Daily Close Contest. Spam the bananas in the chat. Space Ape said, OMG, Daisy is a wild game. I learned one thing, trust no one. Exactly. Lord Twist and Jay said, I have Daisy downloaded, but I haven't played for like 6 months since I started lever trading. Dude, if you want to join us, it's fucking fun. Tyler said, I sent $30. Did you get it? Hoff said, it says I need $16 in ETH to get pin link. Hoff doesn't know how ETH works. Let me check and see if I got that. I did. I received the SUI. I appreciate you, sir. And I'm in the process of receiving my ETH. Hold on. ETH. Copy. Copied. Okay. I'm going to send ETH to my ETH wallet. It's Ethereum. Yep. Max. Okay. Preview send. It's going to cost me $1. That's not bad. And then I got to approve it off my phone. We're in business. Bitcoin's pumping as well, which is very nice. It looks like the altcoin market is also starting to heat up. Let me just use my phone. Here we go. Yes. Request approved. And we're in business. Now I got to wait 5 hours. Hoff said on Coinbase Wallet, that's the gas for the swap. That might be the Coinbase Wallet gas because Coinbase sucks gas. Oh my gosh, that's so fucking good. Alan Howick in Decentraland said, ETH fees suck. Funny, nobody has said anything about this Ether coin. Let's see if I've received my ETH yet. It should be pretty quick, shouldn't it? And nothing. Still nothing. Let's see. Is it under pending? It should be pending at least, right? I can't even open up the history. It's like taking forever. Here we go. Nope, I'm still waiting. Okay. But I did receive the SUI. Hoff said, how can I do it cheaper? Probably just don't do it. Zaza Wick said, rocket, 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 up. Alan said, the rich will use ETH, the plebs will use Sol, then they will implode the Sol chain. Just a random theory. That could happen. It very well could. You know what would be crazy? Is if Vitalik actually fixed gas fees like he's been saying the past 5 fucking years. He's like, this next thing that we're doing is gonna fix gas fees. And then it doesn't. And then they're like, why didn't it fix gas fees? And he said, I never said it was gonna fix gas fees. I said that it could. It was gonna set it up so we could fix gas fees. I'm not gonna talk about it. Guys, Bitcoin's chilling at $102,000. Let's go take a look at total 3. Looking at 1.08 trillion. Very nice. Trying to make another run up for the previous high. ETH also 3,920. Trying to make a break for 15K according to all those articles that we read. Cardano also trying to make a break above its upper trend line. Very nice. SNEC making a nice little recovery. Let's see how this plays out. Fahid said, when new PC to play Daisy. Fahid, you don't need much, honestly. I built my daughter's PC for like $400, and it plays Daisy great. Janik said, I played off the grid yesterday. It seemed to be running better than last time I had played. They updated it, and it looks fucking sick. Zazawick said, Vitalik a weirdo, man. He's too busy making cringe dance videos. That's not him. That's not him, but that's funny. I've seen that video. Just Have Fun said, yo, yo. What's going on, Just Have Fun? Let me check my ETH, see if I've received that yet so I can purchase some Pinlink. I have. Let's go do a Pinlink purchase. Trade on Uniswap. Uniswap. Let me connect my Phantom wallet. Connect. Select token. ETH. Holy crap, I can do it, guys. I'm about to make it happen. No. Wait, is it not working? Is there a minimum? 0.005. $20. Oh, not enough ETH. I have 0.007 though. 4. Okay. $14.85. Warning. This token isn't traded on leading U.S. centralized exchanges or frequently swapped on Uniswap. Always do your own research before proceeding. I understand. This is going to be like one of my biggest buys. You don't have enough ETH to cover the network cost? No! Son of a bitch. It says it's only 74 cents. Oh my gosh, it's $14. Okay, hold on, guys. I need to spend another fucking $30. What has happened? Is there something cheaper than Uniswap? Oh my gosh. Cheaper ETH DEX than Uniswap. Or is it just the time of day? Most DEXs, Uniswap, V2, V3, trading pairs, blah, 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 small sums, Uniswap, Kyber Swap. Okay, I remember Kyber Swap. Let's see if Kyber Swap works better. Limitless access to DeFi. Kyber Swap, I want to swap my ETH for Pinlink. Import. I understand. Connect my wallet. I accept. Phantom. Connect. 0.004. Price impact, yep. Swap. There's an issue confirming your price minimum amount received. I don't care. Dismiss. Swap. Can I not do that? Receipt, max slippage. Is it because of my slippage? Okay, hang on, guys. I gotta go into degen mode. I do not recommend doing this. Swap, confirm swap. Waiting for confirmation. Swapping. Confirm. Unexpected error. What the fuck? This is why I don't like ETH, guys. Dave said happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday, Dave. Janik said dank proto sharding, aka cheaper fees, 2 years away at least, probably. Fuck Vitalik and his fake ass cheap fee bullshit. Tyler said gas fees are usually high and it's stupid, but I'm telling you it's worth it for Pinlink. Hoff said the gas, I believe, and he was trolling me. Alan said Kyber won't be any cheaper. Welcome to ETH chain. First time using it? No, I've used it before. It just sucks ass. Tyler said now research it, damn it. Okay. Let's look at Pinlink. Okay, Pinlink. Let's go read the CoinGecko thing for sure. Where's the website? Pinlink Collective Lapel Pins. No, Pinlink Crypto. Wow. Where is their website? Do they have a website? Why is there no website? Pinlink is a global digital currency exchange offering. Where's the website? Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see if they have a website. Website. Hey, there we go. Pinlink.ai. The first real-world asset tokenized DPIN marketplace. Ooh. Driving down costs for AI developers and creating new revenue streams for DPIN asset owners. DPIN tokenization. That was fucking cool. Real-world asset tokenized DPIN model. The real-world asset tokenized DPIN model drives down costs for AI developers. The first fractionalized liquidity layer for DPIN, fractionalized ownership of DPIN assets creates more flexible revenue streams for DPIN asset owners. Pin AI Performance Optimization Suite applies machine learning tools to optimize the outposts of DPIN assets for AI developers. You know, I just want to point out really quick, GPU and CPU sharing like this, in my opinion, is the future of cryptocurrency. Genuinely, because what is Bitcoin doing for anyone besides like existing as a store of value? The actual mining aspect of it is of no actual benefit besides like the people that use it to like heat greenhouses and stuff like that. With this, you get all the GPU, CPU usage as Bitcoin, but it's actually being used for something. Does that make sense? Like, imagine if you could take all of the waste created by Bitcoin and apply that to something like artificial intelligence or rendering or data storage or anything like that. That's these DPIN projects. It's huge. And it's pretty much untapped at the moment. Pin AI Performance Optimization Suite applies machine learning tools to optimize the outposts of DPIN assets for AI developers. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah, this is fucking cool. Pin AI Suite optimizes resource management for high-performance computing and cloud storage. There you go. What did I just fucking say? Word for word. How does Uplink work? DPIN asset owner connects their device. DPIN service user pays a rental fee. And then the GPU, CPU supplies DPIN services sourced from DPIN owners. And then this GPU, CPU sends rental fees to real-world asset ERC 1155 contract. And then proportion shares of rental fees, 80% of RWA sales fees go back to the DPIN asset owner. And the DPIN asset owner mints the ERC 1155. Okay, so that kind of goes in tandem. A proportional share of the rental fees go to passive income seeker. They buy a fractional share, and then they collect a portion of the fee. And then the contract sends rental fees to NFT contract, service user rebate fund. which goes invested in low-risk yield-bearing bonds. Yield-bearing bond assets yields fund rebates for service users, leading to discounted pricing. Okay, so it's like entirely self-contained, self-servicing situation. There's no bullshit third party collecting a chunk. That's actually really cool. It's like peer-to-peer. It's like true peer-to-peer. Interesting. Where did they make their money, though? Maybe with fees? Key features: RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace. At the heart of Pinlink's innovation lies our DPIN RWA tokenization model. The RWA tokenization model reduces costs for AI developers, creates more flexible monetization options for DPIN asset owners, and offers opportunities for individuals who do not own DPIN assets to earn passive income stream. Fractionalized RWA ERC 1155 representing DPIN asset ownership. By selling fractions of their RWA ERC 1155, DPIN asset owners can unlock the capital needed to purchase new assets from which they can generate additional rental income, thus creating an asset accumulation flywheel. By purchasing fractions of RWA ERC 1155, individuals who do not own DPIN assets can gain access to a share of the revenue from these assets. Okay. So they basically just like lower the barrier of entry. Service user rebate model. Sales of RWA ERC 1155 generate upfront capital payments, which are then invested in generative yield-bearing activities. These activities create new revenue sources for the Pinlink ecosystem that are used to offer rebates to AI developers, lowering their cost burden. And then what else you got for me? Is that it? Roadmap. Phase 1, only protocol-owned DPIN assets accepted. Okay. Initially, only protocol-owned DPIN assets will be accepted in the Pinlink marketplace. This serves two purposes. Firstly, it allows Pinlink to prove out and optimize the unique RWA tokenized DPIN marketplace model so that third-party DPIN asset owners can use it with confidence. Secondly, it ensures that the process of ensuring all assets are enterprise-grade and scalable easier during the onboarding of initial clients. Phase 2, opening up Pinlink to third-party DPIN asset owners. Once that model has been proven out and Pinlink has a detailed understanding of service user technical requirements, Stage 2 will involve allowing third-party DPIN asset owners to connect their devices to the Pinlink network. Third-party DPIN asset owners will need to pass Pinlink's in-depth asset vetting process to ensure that the asset is enterprise-grade and meets the specific present needs of the Pinlink client base. Key benefits: by bringing RWA tokenization dynamics to the DPIN sector, Pinlink achieves several key benefits. Increased income for DPIN owners, benefits to Pinlink because, okay, more capital. What is Pinlink? How does Pinlink work? How does Pinlink's innovative? We just read all this. Remain sustainable. How does Pinlink ensure the provision of enterprise? Okay, we just read that too. What type of DPIN assets does Pinlink support? What is the utility of the PIN token? I like that actually. Serves as a payment for renting DPIN services on Pinlink. Additionally, token holders can stake PIN to earn a share of protocol fee revenues. Nice. The team, okay, so they got me on there. Talal Alamin, Adam Conover. That's an awful last name, I'm sorry. I feel so bad for that guy. And Jordan O'Neill. Interesting. And then Fashi Basi Hader, lead blockchain engineer. Tokenomics, here we go. Uniswap liquidity pool 80%, staking emissions 10%, centralized exchange reserves 10%. Nice. I think the network being ETH is their only downfall. That is genuinely the only bad thing that I'll say is that it's on ETH. Because I really want to buy some. Okay. Tyler says so much easier on Coinbase Wallet. No, it's not. It's not easier on Coinbase Wallet because the fees are still going to be insane. Tyler said, and it's gone. Janix said, looked like that's what Nosana was when I just briefly looked into it. Alan said Pinlink was under 10 cents less than a month ago. Tyler said that. Thanks, I found it. Ha ha ha. This price is just the start, only 100 million market cap. Tyler said, I wish I had it at 10 cents, lol. Dave said, I'm up 5x on Bits right now. Woot woot. Let's go check out Bits. Yeah, dude, if I could buy Pinlink on an exchange, I would be very happy, but this fucking Uniswap crap sucks ass. This is killing me. Review. I understand. Swap. Confirm in wallet. Confirm. Swap failed. Try adjusting slippage to a higher value. I don't want to do that. To a higher value. Kiss my ass. Let's try 0.03. Review. I understand. Swap. Confirm. Try again. Swap failed. Try adjust. It keeps telling me to adjust my slippage. It's a fucking joke. Yeah, it won't go through. It will not go through. The gas is $11. This is so that's 22. How much do I have right now? I don't even know. 28. Yeah, so this should go through. What the fuck are they doing? I understand. 6% slippage. That should be more than enough. Confirm. Try adjusting slippage to a higher value. It just won't work, man. Shit's broken. I'm gonna go to 8% slippage. That's the highest I'm willing to go. It won't even go through now. Is that higher than I'm even available to pay? This is ridiculous. Oh. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Review. I understand. Swap. Confirm? Yeah, it says swap failed every single time. What the fuck, man? Guys, Bitcoin's pushing up. 102,271. WF Capital said auto. You know, the centralized exchange is not easier if it's not ETH. If it's not ETH, you have no problems. You can do Sol all fucking day. Swap in and out, whatever the fuck you want. You can do Cardano. You can do fucking Avalanche. Anything. As long as it's not ETH, you're in a good position. But when it's ETH, they're like, oh, well, Vitalik needs more money. So your fee is $25 for the swap, for your $5 swap. You want $5 of this token? We're going to need $40. Tyler said, when I bought, I put slip at 12%. What the fuck? 12%'s crazy. That's insane. What the fuck? 12%? I'll have $5 worth if I put mine at 12%. That's why it keeps going up. People can't fucking sell it. It's ridiculous. Fucking $15,000 ETH. Yeah, fucking right. Every time, man. I tried really hard this time, I swear. I tried so fucking hard. I have $30 in ETH right now, and I want to buy $10 worth of fucking pin link. Because that's what it said it would let me do. Because the fee's fucking $12. So that's $22. Tell me why I need my slippage at 12 fucking percent for them to take the other fucking $8 that's going to be left. Fuck them. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. If the fee goes down and I can get my $10 worth, then I'll fucking do that shit all day. But I'm not setting my slippage above 8%. That's fucking crazy. 8%. Transaction deadline, fucking 80 minutes. I don't give a fuck. Select token, ETH. That's the only thing I can fucking trade on here. 0.0005. 0.0. I can't even do that. I have to do like 0.002. Let me see if I can do 3. $11.80. Gas is $12. That's $24. I have 28. I'm going to click review. This token isn't traded on blah, blah, blah. I don't care. I understand. And then it says swap. So my total, it doesn't even tell me my total because it's fucking trash. But sure, swap. Confirm in wallet. Confirm. Swap failed. Try adjusting slippage to a higher value. No. I'll do a limit. Maybe that'll work. Why the fuck? I don't understand. I don't understand. the market cap's high enough to where it wouldn't, like, it tells me how much I'm going to affect the price. Pin link. I understand. If I want to swap 0.003, which is $11.81, it tells me somewhere right here. Price impact, 0.55%. Why the fuck would my slippage need to be over 8%? The price isn't moving. It's not fucking moving 8% every 3 seconds. I think ETH is just broken. WF Capital said auto slippage. I did that. I'm saying a pin fee of 0.5. It's saying a pin fee of 0.5. 0.5 ETH? Where? No, that's 56 cents. That's fine. What the fuck is that, though? Pin charges a 5% fee when bought. Swapping it may result in a loss of funds. Okay, that's fine. I don't care. I'll pay 56 cents for that. But why is ETH broken? Review. Swap. Confirm. Swap failed. It doesn't even try. It literally doesn't even try. I'm not changing my slippage. They can literally lick my butthole. Dave said try 002. I don't think that the amount that I have is going to matter. It's the slippage. They want me to fucking pump my slippage up. Maybe you have to have some. I don't think so. I think that Pinlink, I think that basically just means that Pinlink charges a fee for me to swap, which is fine. It's 56 cents. I have that. It wouldn't make sense that I would need to pay that in Pinlink. How do you... That doesn't make any sense. None of it makes sense. ETH is broken. I refuse. I refuse to play Vitalix fucking 95-year-old games. Fuck him. More Money said request REQ token. A fantastic play. Let's go take a look at it. Request network on Binance. Ooh. You got a huge spike in volume on the 4-hour, which looks great. It is oversold on the 4-hour though. Or overbought, I'm sorry. I always confuse those two. I'm not sure why. But yeah, it looks like you're in a general uptrend. Maybe see, you're about to hit some resistance levels. I would go literally right here. Because you got resistance here. Basically failed resistance here, here, and here. Twice right here, right here. Yeah, you're hitting a resistance level. I want to see it break above 1727, retest and confirm, and continue to the upside. That being said, it is overbought right here on the RSI. So it could continue up and do that. It might reject first and maybe try and establish a foundation at support right here. And then continue to the upside. That's for a 4-hour, like, shorter term. But it does look good. I don't know anything about the coin itself. Let's see, it's number 452. Market cap is 124 million. So the market cap is tiny. It is listed on Binance, which is huge, and Coinbase, and Kraken, and KuCoin, and HTX, and Gate. Very nice. Nice listings. Ooh, is this like Fiverr? I love this. I think this is huge. It's on fucking ETH too, son of a bitch. But it's on Coinbase. Yeah, I think this is huge. I love this. I might buy some of this. Dave said, "What's the contract address?" I'll go buy some. You were going to have a look at Bits. Yes. Bits. BITZ. Starting to lose my voice already, guys. Let's see, how many people do we got watching? 27 people? Wow. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and share the stream with your friends and family. Marbits. Whoa, damn. See, guys, if you join the Telegram, you get some nice alpha like this. Dave shared this in the Telegram before it even launched. And he had the launch date and everything. We had all that alpha, and it blew up. The Telegram is free. It's completely free. It will always be completely free. Off said, get this done. Janix said, ain't no way. Someone just mentioned REQ. Tyler's upset. I'm sorry, Tyler. I tried. I really did. Janix said, there was a website that I earned a bunch of REQ by going to every day for over a year. Oh, yeah? Website shut down and I never got my coins. You know what? That happened to me and Clint, actually. We signed up for, it was called like Baked Beans or something. And we were earning BNB. It was definitely like some kind of scam because the price of baked beans was going down. So you like earned and it like didn't matter. I don't know. It was weird. It was definitely like some kind of funnel scam. But we tried it. It was fun. Irishman said 102K. Let's go. Yeah, Bitcoin's at 102,634. Absolutely blasting to the upside. We got some big ass liquidations that is about to hit. Let's go. And it's WF Capital's birthday. He said, Marbits, I know the guy. Like, personally, that's actually sick. Let's see what else. Janik said this is why Sol has gained so much on ETH. Exactly. Sol is, with all the fucking money that ETH charges for fees, Sol is literally making more money than ETH. Because instead of charging this much of a fucking fee, they charge this much, and they have this many more fucking people using it. It's not that fucking hard to do the math. I don't think Vitalik knows how to do math. Not a big fucking fan. Zaza Wick said shorts squeezed. They got squozed and they got squoozed. WF Capital said I watch his YouTube. Nice. So does Dave. You guys should have a little bromance in the in the Telegram. Maybe Dave can play DayZ with us. I'm out of chai latte. That's upsetting. What else do we got? Let's go check out the watch list. Yeah, Marbits blew up, guys. Looks amazing. Let's actually do some TA on this. Not that it's gonna matter. Okay, so you do have bearish div right here. Actually, I guess technically you don't. No, you don't. Never mind. Forget I said anything. I was gonna say this, but there's no RSI back there, so you got nothing. Absolutely nothing. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, there we go. Now we got some good chart data. Okay, so you do have bearish div. Actually, no, you don't. You still don't have bearish div. Yeah, because this is way up here, and that's the same thing down there. Yeah. So it does look like the RSI is probably going to top out before this does, though. Actually, no, it doesn't, because this went to frickin' 96.16. Takes a long time to get up there. I'm not sure what to say. It's almost at a $1 million market cap. Decent chunk, like 25% liquidity. That's actually a big deal. People don't usually do that much liquidity. I like that. Let's see. Go Plus Security says it is tax modifiable. The ownership has not been renounced. And it had a whitelist. Okay, so this is all kind of nothing. Because you get notified about this when you go to purchase it anyway, so I don't really give a shit about it, if I'm being completely honest. So the sell tax is higher than the buy tax, though. Okay. So when you buy it, you do have to make sure that you make at least 10% in order to get some kind of profits. Let's see what else we got. Quick intel, buy tax, sell tax. Okay, so that's all the same thing. And then token sniffer 0 out of 100. Token sniffer's been kind of broken lately, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, see, it said 0, now it says 50. I think token sniffer's just fucked up. The owner creator wallet has 20% of the circulating supply. Okay, so that's a little sketch. 91% of the liquidity is burned locked for at least 15 days. Okay. It's locked until March 15th, 2025. Okay. So be careful with that. I mean, everything else looks fine, though. Yeah, the only thing you got to look out for is that buy and sell tax. You got to make sure that you're you're willing to hold on to it for at least a 10 to 15% gain. And then when you sell, you're going to lose a chunk of that gain from the buy and sell tax. It's kind of like a spread. Dave said, look at liquidity. Yes, I showed liquidity. Dave said, the dev is 2-bit crypto from YouTube. Janix said, I do like a good hated coin narrative, though. LOL. And then More Money said, look at REQ one more time. Yeah, this looks good. You got that nice spike in liquidity. I want to see it break above this resistance and continue to the upside. And I actually like the project, and it's on Coinbase. It's on all the right exchanges, and it's like a Fiverr of crypto. And I recently used Fiverr, and I had a great experience. WF Capital said 2-bit crypto on YouTube, and yes, he's having problems with the contract updating on Token Sniffer. He's a great guy. He made a game with marbles, and we race. Nice. Yeah, guys, the market looks pretty green right now. I'm actually kind of excited. Dave said if you have any questions, you can ask the dev directly. 6 days a week on YouTube. Not many tokens have that. That is nice. That is very nice. Oh, we got 25 people watching. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Smash the like button. Share the stream with your friends and family. What are we at for subs? Have we gained any subscribers? 374. Nice. If we could hit 400 before the end of the weekend, that would be sick. We are trying to get to 500 subs before the end of the year. At 500 subs, big things start to happen, guys. So anything you guys can do to help is huge. Zaza Wick said, what's your biggest bag? Snack, actually. Believe it or not. Snack is my biggest bag. This motherfucker went insane. Look at this beauty. I've been accumulating this for a long, long time. And it went boom. And guess what? 711%. It still doesn't have a tier 1 exchange. It still doesn't have a tier 1 exchange. They're working on it. But what do you think is going to happen when this thing gets listed on Binance or Coinbase? It's going to go fucking crazy. And I might shit my pants when that happens. Like, legitimately. There might be poop in my pants if that happens. Janix said I do enjoy me a good marble race. You know, I've unironically watched several downhill Hot Wheels races on YouTube, and they're fucking fun. They're like legitimately fun to watch. Hoff said he ever gets his pin link. I've tried, man. I tried. Zazawick said I've heard about this. Maybe I'll buy. Oh, dude, I highly recommend. If you do want to buy, you set up a Cardano wallet. You can do literally any of them. You can do NAMI wallet. You can do Yoroi. I would just look up a video tutorial on YouTube on what Cardano wallet to set up. And then you do your on-ramp of choice. I go through Coinbase, buy my Cardano, send it to the wallet, and then you can go to Tap Tools, and you can swap it right here. Connect your wallet right up here, and then you swap. Swap your ADA for Snack. And if you don't want to do it through this, because Tap Tools does charge a small fee, I personally like to go to Dex Hunter, but you can also go to MinSwap. And you can do the same thing here. Connect your wallet, swap your ADA for Snack. And you're good to go. Not financial advice. but I am a snack maxi. I also have 2 cans of first edition snack energy. Janik said, Gel's Marble Run is a channel on YouTube with stupidly over budget marble races. Haha. That I sometimes enjoy. Dude, I eat that shit up. The marble race. I've never watched marble race, but I probably would get into it. I think I've seen one video on like Twitter of a marble race, and I got super into it. But the downhill Hot Wheels races, it's so good. They do like brackets and stuff. I'm pretty sure I sat down one Sunday and watched like a 3-hour circuit race, and it was fucking cool, dude. It's like the adult version of playing with Hot Wheels. But let me see. We got 24 people watching. Guys, don't forget to congratulate JY's Adventure. He won the Friday the 13th daily close contest. Congratulations, JY. Very cool. Let's click through our charts really quick. ETH looking good, like it's want to continue the recovery. Total 3, same thing. Sol also wants to continue a recovery. ADA possibly breaking out of its upper trend line. SNEC beginning its recovery. XRP potentially breaking out of its upper trend line as well. HBAR already broke out of its upper trend line, hopefully getting a continuation. Potential retest and then a continuation. Polkadot, I really want to see Polkadot make a mean comeback. Polkadot has yet to impress me. I feel like they've been absolutely decimated over the bear market, and I'm looking for a big move out of Polkadot in the coming weeks at least. At least during alt season, I want Polkadot to get violently pumpy. SUI looking amazing. I don't want to see it M here. I want to see it continue to the upside. C, I want to see it recover at least one of these 2 lines. CAS, I want to see it invalidate this head and shoulders and liquidate some bears. Avalanche, I want to see it continue to the upside. Melting faces. Same with Chainlink. Absolute face melting gains from Chainlink. Doge, I would like to see Doge break or at least touch 50 cents. Lunk, I'm looking for a recovery out of this too. It hit that nice upper trend line support. Polygon Matic Pole. Got a nice retest of this upper trend line. Previous resistance turned support. Hopefully continuation. Near, same thing. Just previous support for near. Continuation to the upside. And Chili's. Chili's, I want to see Chili's reclaim this 12, 13 cent level and then continue to the upside from there. Bitcoin dominance. Still trying to make up its mind. Very indecisive Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin itself. $102,000. Highest daily close of all time today. Very cool. Hopefully, the weekly close is even more bullish. Because if it closes where it's at right now, that would be the highest weekly close of all time as well. Big wick to the downside, signaling further bullish momentum. That's what we like to see. Very cool. Very nice. Oh. Just Have Fun said, dyor wallet swap. Snack in wallets is what I did. Nice. Okay. Crypto Shark said, yo, check out Landwolf 0x67. Zazawick said, DOT will retest the March high. All right. Crypto Shark, Landwolf 0x67. There it is. Okay. I like the art. He kind of looks like a furry chicken nugget. Let's go to the 4-hour and let's do some TA on this meme. Okay. Token sniffer, security, quick intel, those all look good. Let's see, $208 million market cap, 4.7 million in liquidity. This is my first red flag. All these wallets are not the liquidity contract, and they all hold a significant amount, which is more than the liquidity pool, except for these last 4. But if one of these first 3 decides to sell, this liquidity is gone. But besides that, I don't know, maybe those are like different distributions for like the community or something like that. I will admit that I'm not aware of what they got going on. It does seem to be very pumpy. It's not a exorbitant amount of market cap, so it does not look like an immediate scam. Let's see. Let me go to the daily. I mean, not too much structure to do TA on, if I'm being completely honest. You had a pump, dump, little accumulation right here, and then it started to tick up. Volume starts to pick up down here. Chop sideways, more accumulation right here, tick up in volume, more accumulation right here, tick up in volume. Probably going to get accumulation and tick up in volume. Probably exactly what's going to happen. Otherwise, I think people would have started selling by now already, but you never know. It could get a retest down here and then continuation. That could have already happened with this wick too, though. So it's anyone's game. I also wouldn't be surprised to see it do one of these, because we've watched that play out a couple of times already as well. And it might not even go down below that. It might just do this. Continue to the upside. So we will see what happens. It looks poised like it has potential for more upside. Landwolf drinking, stinking, never thinking. Pepe's most degenerate friend. Okay, they got cool animations and shit on the website or on the Twitter. I think this is sick. Yeah, I think this is awesome. And they're listing on exchanges. Seems like a good play. Jeremy said, what about ZRO? Crypto Shark said, thanks, brother. There's a Landwolf bank of 9 millions. Okay. That explains some of that liquidity. I like that. Jeremy said, what about ZRO? ZRO. I'm assuming that's going to be on deck screener, but it might not be. Let's go check. Oh, it is. Okay, nice. Whoa. This is a little bit too new for me. Number go up. No red flags from and the audit. An ever-expanding intelligence, unifying fragments of truth, evolving with the world of all and all of its secrets. There's no Twitter or website or anything, though. I don't know. I'm a little sketched out. The liquidity is like 10%. That's pretty good. Fully diluted value. Yeah, that's nice. Did this thing like just bond from Pump Fun, or is this minted elsewhere? Okay. Yeah, the liquidity contract is the highest holder. This guy, none of these people can rug the whole entire liquidity pool, which is good. And so it's not giving me any signs of a rug. I will say that. Outside of that, though, I can't really say much else outside of that. Bitcoin's getting a little pullback. What's Bitcoin dominance doing? Maybe failing to continue to the upside? I don't know. Let's see. Dave said, does pin link end in 07C4? Dave, I'll just paste the pin link contract address for you. Oops. There you go. $250 million market cap. And it's similar. I guess let's do some market cap of, see if we can. Aha. Okay. I like that. What would we want to compare it to? Let's compare it to Near. I feel like that's a good comparison. So at the same market cap of Near, Pinlink would be $107.37. Damn. Which would be a $8.5 billion market cap. I mean, if they get the marketing, it's definitely achievable. Dave said, thank you. Jeremy said the website is kind of funny. All right, let's go check out the website for that then. I forgot the name of it already. There we go. Okay. Landwolf. Click to copy contract address. They got a Twitter. They got all the right things. A boys club meme. Matt Furry tribute at heart. That's pretty cool. This is a nice high quality website. Like legit, this is sick. I like the art a lot. I like how it's showing off all the art. The Wolf Gallery. Yeah, somebody put a lot of effort into this, man. Landwolf Treasury. Yeah, I think this is sick. I really like this. It's on ETH, though. I wish it wasn't all on ETH. Everything's on ETH. But I do like it. It looks sick. I like the website. I like the art. The art sells me every single time. Brother, check out Pepe if you don't mind. All right, let's go check out Pepe. But in exchange, I need you to share the stream with somebody. Pepe had bearish dip, which played out beautifully. All the way down, 20%, where it's currently at, 10%. Now it's also got bullish dip though. Does it? Okay, you can only go from here. Yep. So that technically played out 12%. I would not be surprised. We've seen it play out a million times where the bullish div kind of does a thing and then the price kind of goes like this for a minute and then it skyrockets. So I could see that. But Pepe, I don't know. What's the market cap of Pepe? Yeah, it really just depends on where the market goes. The people do like Pepe, though. John said everything is on ETH. Take the hint. But nobody can sell. Nobody can sell. That's the problem. They can't buy either. Us poors like Soul. Us poors got to stick together. Ugh. I think Pepe just listed on Coinbase, didn't they? That's kind of a big W. That's pretty sick, actually. Yes, Pepe is available for purchase on Coinbase centralized exchange. Nice. That's so sick. I do like that lawsuit, that billion-dollar lawsuit for Coinbase for delisting wrapped Bitcoin is like they listed Pepe. Just shortly afterwards, they delisted wrapped Bitcoin. Like they're so butthurt. WF Patsy said thoughts on the AI agents set loose on the internet and are creating their own cryptocurrencies and then funding the developments of their AIs to start their own cryptocurrencies. Act Memes AI Cersei. I know of Act. The other two I'm not aware of, but I'm aware of a bunch of other them AI ones. I don't really see any problem with it, if I'm being completely honest. I bet you in the future, everyone's going to have their own AI. Like, instead of me going to work, I'm going to program my own AI, and I'm going to give it, like, let's say 10% of my bank account. Imagine if you gave an AI access to your bank account and your identifying information, and you said, listen, you can't break the law. You can't make it look like I broke the law, but you need to make money. Here's 10 grand to start. Go figure out how to turn this into $1 million legally. And then you just click enter. This thing starts working. It starts, running through with all of its ideas. It starts a drop shipping or designs some fucking art and it auctions it off or something. It does all the work for you. And then you just make money. Crypto Shark said the Boys Club narrative. There is Pepe, Andy, Brett, Landwolf from Matt Furry original book Boys Club. I was aware of the boys, the Matt Furry boys. That's actually really cool. What's going on, Knucklebuster? We got 20 people watching, guys. Smash the like button. Share the stream with your friends and family. Yeah, Crypto Shark. I like the Matt Furry memes. Is it Matt Furry? Matt Fury? I don't know. Knucklebuster said, fuck you doing, homie? I'm just chilling. I'm getting ready to get off. Probably go relax a little bit. Play some DayZ in a little while. It is WF Capital's birthday today. We sing him happy birthday. He's 35. And he's a fucking goat. I got shot yesterday in DayZ. Shot dead in the head. I stood up on top of a hay bale. And then it was just black. And he's like, there's a guy. And then I got popped. And I was like, I'm dead. And he's like, where the fuck is he? I was like, I don't fucking know, man. He legit babysat my stuff, like guarded my gear, waiting for this fucking dude to show up for like an hour while I fucking navigated the stars like a fucking Native American to get back to him. And I got my stuff back thanks to him. So he's the MVP of the day. But also, JY's Adventure won the daily close contest today for Friday the 13th, so we are also congratulating him as well. A lot of Chads in the chat today, including yourself, Knucklebuster. Thank you for joining us. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. I'm not going to work tomorrow. I'm so fucking stoked. My boss is going to Georgia for the week, so I get to chill. Crypto Shark said, yeah, I think I'm going to hit the rest of my pen. Hell yeah. I might take a little edible or something. Chill the fuck out. It's a little bit cold in my room right now. That's probably also why I'm losing my voice. Knucklebuster said, of course. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna call it tonight. Bitcoin's chilling. I'm sure I'll be back on. If Bitcoin starts to go crazy, I will for sure hop back on as always. The second it starts to break 104, then I will hop back on for you guys. Unless I'm sleeping, which I don't plan to be. But Zazawick said, what do you do for work? I'm an architect. Knucklebuster said, I'm working 75 an hour. Can't pass it up. Damn, that's crazy. 75 an hour is fucking sick. Yeah, Zazawick, I do architecture and job site management. Yeah. Guys, probably gonna call it. Knucklebuster said, JJ, check out Gooch Coin. All right. Let's go check out Gooch Coin really quick. Too many O's. Too many O's. Which one? On ETH? Is it on ETH again? Okay, here's Gooch Coin. I got it. Got it. Divine Revelation, a digital messiah. It supersedes all other crypto coins. Isn't this the same as Goatsy? Is this the one? Ew, I don't like the chart. $24,000 market cap, 20K in liquidity. What?
Okay, so this same guy bought and sold for $1 loss. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. More money said REQ to the moon. Wow. All right, let's go look at REQ again really quick. Hell yeah. I told you I want to see it break through this, retest, and continue. It might not get that retest, though. Knucklebuster said electrical job. Crypto Shark said, bro, keep doing your thing. You got a great stream. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. I've been enjoying it. I really have. Hoping to hit 500 subs before the end of the year. Knucklebuster said Zero Bro Developer. Okay, it ran up to 21 mil yesterday. Is that the right one then? Oh, this is the 5-minute chart. Oh. It seems to have rubbed since then. But I mean, if it's that developer, then it's probably not a bad buy at these lows. That's pretty damn low. Knock off a couple of zeros, make a shit ton of money. Crypto Shark said, "Get you some gooch." Oh man. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys for joining. I'm gonna call it a night. If you guys want to watch the DayZ stream in a little bit, feel free to tune in. It's gonna be me, hopefully Drew and WF Capital. So, like I always say, if Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Friday and good night.